I'm building this jig that is shown in Fine Woodworking. This is issue 222. It's Offerman's, Nick Offerman jig on for flattening slabs. I have a number of slabs, but I have a job right now that I need to do. So I decided this would be a good time to make the jig. I'm just about done. I'm not quite done. I will be done in about an hour or so. I also picked up a CNC white side spoiler board bit. It's a high-end bit. It's carbide, 4 wings, and I think it's going to do a good job for me. And after I do this job, I probably will start flattening out some walnut slabs I have at some point. The Offerman jig is pretty basic, pretty easy, and there's some really high quality jigs out there that you can buy that I haven't decided on buying, so this is a lot cheaper. Anyway, I'm looking forward to using it today. Probably use it for a couple hours, and it should work out.